it away.
Taking just be. Don't take it. Taking just don't.
Hey my loves, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Asia if you are new here, and if you are not, hey girl, hey, come and join the family. Come and join. No, today we're gonna be installing this beautiful unit from Sensational. Thank you, Sensational, for sending me over this unit. She is gorgeous. I mean, the highlights, hello, get into her. And we installed her quick and easy and nothing too difficult for y'all, because y'all know I'm always giving y'all the tea and the goods and the pointers when it comes to units. Get into her. So today we installing this butter lace unit. This is Mermaid Wave 26 Flamboyage blonde. Okay, she is gorgeous. They have multiple colors of this unit and it's versatile, so you can style her any way you like. But I'm feeling her. I'm feeling her. She cute. She cute. So also they have 1B, 2 balayage caramel, balayage chocolate, balayage gold, balayage blonde, flamboyage blonde, flamboyage mocha, flamboyage sand, money piece hazel, money piece sandy blonde, and money piece wine. I think I might have to get the chocolate because y'all already know me and chocolate, we like two peas in a pot. Chocolate on your girl. Stop playing with her. Stop playing with her. If it's sugar, nice. So this is her, and you can heat her up to 450. Human hair and premium fiber blend, full body movement, versatile undetached HD lace, blends with most skin tones, ear to ear lace with wide 5 deep hand tied parting. As y'all can see, girl, I don't even gotta say no more. I'm gonna just let you see for yourself. So if you want to see how I install this beautiful unit, girl, grab your seat, make sure you're able to hit pause and play, get you a glass of wine, and let's install her because she's gorgeous. Okay, y'all be sleeping, I be trying to tell y'all, but y'all be sleeping on syntheticas. Wake up girl, it's time to get up. It's time to get up. The kids going back to school. Girl, let's get into her, okay? Let's get into her. So we're going to take our Got To Be Instant High Hold and we're going to spray down the lace. We're not going to glue her down. We're just going to spray her down so we can move right along. We're going to make this a quick, easy install. Now you want to take your comb and you want to push down the lace with your blow dryer as well.
All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make. It's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you.
Take your shears and do a zigzag cutting to cut off any excess of the lace that you don't need. So I'm gonna take my wax stick and I'm gonna just apply this on the top of my head so that way my wig can lay down flatter when I hot comb it. It does get oily, so don't apply a lot, just apply a little to the top. And a little on the sides. Now what I like to do is go in between first, just to make sure that this is nice and flat, girl. We got to get her real flat. So go in between, but you don't want to go too much because you don't want to take out the curls. So I mainly start like right here. I'm gonna take my Andes hot comb, and this hair can heat up to 450, so just keep that in mind. You know what this hair remind me of the hair that not the last one, but the very second wig that I installed from Sensational, the Flamboyage chocolate. Yeah, that's what this one remind me of. Take my concealer in the shade Fawn, and I'm just define my part with my concealer brush. You don't need to use a lot, just use a little bit. A little goes a long way, trust me.
It's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain won't you.
So now when it comes to actually like hiding the lace and not making it too visible, which is really not, it's not at all. Take whatever is on this brush and I'm just gonna blend it in my lace. You can hide it. Why not?
You never leave my thoughts alone, yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just yeah, you always make me feel like, yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone, yeah, you're the reason.
So my loves, this does conclude the end of the video. What do you guys think? She mermaid, but she's giving the girls what they were supposed to get, okay? The peekaboo high lace is always doing it for me. So we came to conclusion, we came to terms that Flamboyage, Golden Blonde, and Balayage, and Chocolate, that right there, baby. That right there, baby, does something every time to your girl. Can you see her? I mean, I know I'm a pixie cut girly now, but we could play in some units. I mean, why not? Okay. So if you love this type of content and you want to see more future content like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Come join the family. Come on, girl. Come on. I know you want to slay. I know you want to be installing your unit so quick and easy. And because she's synthetica. I mean, get into her. Okay. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Later, babes.
Don't take it personal.